Okay, person number 3, yeah?
Damn.
I can watch the kilobytes just go up. There's 1 megabyte. Wait, how many kilobytes make a megabyte? 1,000?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. 2 megabytes.
What am I doing? I'm walking back and forth. There's an egg thing on the wall. Leave me alone.
I believe it's an egg. I think it's just a statue.
Oh, no. You'll never take me alive.
I think you summoned him. Your camera can hear the game real good. I don't know if mine can. Oh well.
You'll never take me alive. I can tell you that one. Okay, read my connect this shit.
I don't know. Ask if she's there. That's a good idea.
Hey, Kara, are you there? No? Okay.
She abandoned you.
Yeah. What a nice friend she is. Jesus! Look away from it. Look away from it. Somebody get near? I'm not.
Oh! Dude, he almost got you.
I know! You just like...
He like wanted to tickle your
I was sneaking around the
pickle.
corner, not even looking at the thing. The next thing you know...
He wants to tickle your pickle. Look out, Brad. He wants to tickle your pickle.
I've noticed. Okay. Leave me alone! Stop blocking me! Okay, I'm gonna save my running.
It's making you jump like a little pussy.
It's not gonna let me out of this hallway. This is getting a bit creepy right now because he won't let me out of the hallway.
Wait, did you flee back into the hallway?
Yeah, I'm in this one hallway. There's 3 different entrances. I walk out of this one. He's right there. Going right back in. You're a cock block begin, aren't you?
It could be behind you.
Oh, shit, I'm getting out of here. Looking up to the pie field and he's playing all these games.
Yeah, no, people are just like, oh, that's not scary. Oh, that's not scary. Well, why don't you play the damn game and see how scary it is?
See how focused you get and you see a friggin' jump scary.
Yeah, but the thing is, the person's like, okay, I'll play it, and they know exactly where the jump scares are.
Oh shit!
How many was that? 4 to 8.
I'm like this. Shit.
You played 18 minutes.
Look, I did this. He come up here and I'm like, shit!
What were you trying to do? Punch him in the face? No!
Yes.
Okay, that's...
Why did I turn it off for? No, I didn't lose the video, did I?
That's the ending. I don't know if I'll do it, because...
Yes, you do it.
Okay, I play. Hands me the Xbox controller. Sexy Xbox controller. Okay.
Hey, there's my map. Hey. See me go back and forth. Watch.
Well...
Nope, it's gonna start here.
Well, that's the end of Brad's playthrough, and I don't know if you can see that. No, it's too blurry. Oh, okay.
Right here's that hallway. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Right there. Jump scary. No, it's not. Oh, oh.
Okay, so I believe my part will be on Brad's channel. So I'll put a link for his
channel.
channel.
I want mine on my channel.
That's exactly what I did.
Right here. No. That died.
I said I believe mine will be on your channel too. Or
well, they should both be on my channel. Because
no.
I need videos on my channel.
Yeah, I need videos on mine too.
You have plenty of
Fuck
videos.
you. No, I don't. I only have 4 or 5.
I have 0.
That's cool.
Yes, it is cool. No,
Okay, end of this part.